Hey guys, Forex Capital here. Let's take a look and see what Coti is doing today. So looking at the weekly chart, just like everything else, looks like garbage. Let's just get that out of the way. I'm standing aside for now, waiting for a push lower. So just keep that in mind. And just looking at this fibs, I mean, I don't think there's going to be much help since everything is tanking. We need fib extensions here. Let's see what we need. Let's take this off. Let's start by doing that. Boom. And we are going to use an extension. Man, this looks not the greatest. Kind of hard to tell where we're going to use the extensions, but we'll figure it out. So let's try there. See. Kind of like this one, but I kind of don't. That fib extension. What if we move this here and use this one? I like that one. Seems like the fibs are aligned, so I'm gonna guess. If I need to guess, somebody puts a gun to my head that those are the right fibs, the extension that people are paying attention to. So let's continue. By the way, guys, if you guys like the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button, because that's the only way you're gonna help out the channel reach 7 billion people. So if you get anything useful, send one friend to the channel. If not, then don't. And let's continue on. So I'm using the high of October 25th of 21 to this low of November 29 of 21 to this high of December 20 of 21. I do like this pair. I'm kind of biased. The pairs that made me some money, some shackles I call it, then I usually like and pay attention to it. This was one of so this is what I learned about buying the small cap coins. So I bought I can't remember. I think it was about $200,000 of Coti, and when was it? It was in one of these rallies. So, and then I made probably like 60 grand. And I'm like, alright, I think it's gonna top, so I'm gonna get out. And I never thought that this was gonna happen to me right now, because I'm buying such a small amount compared to what like the whales are buying. But I put a sell order to sell all of it at once. And once the whole sell went through, instead of having like 55,000 to 60,000 profit, my profit was like 25 grand. And I'm like, dude, what just happened? And guess what just happened? Slippage. And I mean, you heard about this, when you buy hundreds of millions of dollars of something, and then if you put the wholesale order in and then you create slippage. And that's what happened. Since my order was so big, there wasn't enough buyers to buy my whole order, which usually that's how it happened in crypto. What I notice is you don't have enough buyers. Once you start buying more than 100,000, you don't have enough buyers, and then your order gets fill up slowly but surely. And then it got filled out but at a lot lower price. So I literally moved the market, and I learned my lesson. From then on, I was so mad that day. You have no idea. I remember that day like it was yesterday. I was so frustrated because, dude, I just left, 25, at least 20, no, almost $30,000 on the table or so. So if you guys become, big, more than 100,000, you gotta buy in small increments. So guess what I do now? I buy in small increments. And when I sell, I mean, it takes me a while. It takes me, 5 to 10 minutes to sell all my shackles, but that's for you guys. Once you guys get big, make sure you buy in small increments so you don't move the market, especially if you're buying small cap coin. Anyways, that was my rant for the day. So this is going lower. We close below 12 cents, and we're probably going to 7. I'm gonna have to say 7 for sure, because Bitcoin is moving lower. I mean, right now, just if you watch my other videos, I keep saying that Bitcoin's gonna move lower. It looks like it's making a bottom, but I'm not sold yet. If we look at the daily chart, bam, let's see. Yeah, we're definitely going to 7 cents. I mean, there's nothing else here. Can we go to 2 cents? Yeah, possibly. It's doable. Bitcoin will have to break a lot lower, but it's definitely 7 cents for sure. We're below the moving averages. The whole market looks the same. I'm just doing a little update for all the videos, but nothing has changed until Bitcoin changes. I mean, as it sits, we're down 3.48% from yesterday for the day, so we're gonna move lower. RSI looks mediocre, below the moving averages. If we were to have some sort of miracle, because this does look like a bottoming pattern, and we break above the 20 and this 12 cent, and we have like a nice little bullish candle, and then we're definitely going, back to 20 cents. But for the time being, I'm gonna stand aside, just like it with the whole market, for now. So if you guys like the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button. Thanks again, guys.